Imagine a railway project so massive it stretches across the vast Australian landscape, connecting cities and revolutionizing transportation. But here's the kicker. This incredible $125 billion endeavor called the Suburban Rail Loop is more than just tracks and trains. Thanks to cutting-edge technology and skilled engineers, Melbourne is embarking on a groundbreaking railway infrastructure project that's set to transform the cityscape. The Suburban Rail Loop isn't your average railway. It's a colossal 90 kilometers loop that'll weave through the entire Melbourne metropolitan area, linking major rail lines from Frankston to the Wabe line. Think of it as Melbourne's very own version of the London Underground, but on steroids. Divided into 3 phases, SRL East, SRL North and SRL West, the project is set to reshape Melbourne's transportation landscape and improve connectivity like never before. Now you might be wondering, why is Australia pouring billions into this mammoth railway empire? And how are engineers turning this ambitious vision into reality? Well, let's dive in. Melbourne is facing a pressing challenge: an exploding population. With over 5 million residents currently and projected to hit 9 million by 2050, the city is bursting at the seams. Add to that the dubious honor of being the most car-dependent city globally, with half of Melburnians commuting by car and road congestion hitting critical levels. The result? Gridlock galore, with folks spending an agonizing 79 hours stuck in traffic each year. But it's not just inconvenience, it's a health hazard too. Traffic pollution is wreaking havoc, leading to a spike in respiratory issues and premature deaths. The solution? A state-of-the-art public transport system that's efficient, reliable, and sustainable. Enter the Suburban Rail Loop, a game-changer in Melbourne's transportation saga. With plans to ease congestion, reduce pollution, and enhance connectivity, this project is more than just a railway. It's a lifeline for a city grappling with the perils of urban sprawl and traffic nightmares. The first phase, SRL East, is already underway, promising 6 underground stations from Cheltenham to Box Hill. These stations aren't your run-of-the-mill stops. They're marvels of engineering designed to slash travel times, boost connectivity, and create thousands of local jobs. Picture this: sleek, futuristic stations nestled underground, seamlessly connecting commuters to key destinations like universities, healthcare hubs, and entertainment districts. From Cheltenham's bay-facing entrance to Box Hill's bustling interchange, each station promises a smoother, swifter commute for Melburnians. But it's not just about convenience. It's about sustainability too. The Suburban Rail Loop isn't just a transit system. It's a green initiative aimed at reducing emissions, curbing pollution, and building a more livable city for future generations. So, as the Suburban Rail Loop chugs along, Melbourne is on track for a brighter, greener future, one where congestion fades, pollution clears, and communities thrive. And with a team of expert engineers leading the charge, the journey ahead looks promising indeed. Envision a transformative railway initiative stretching across the vast expanse of Australia's landscape, binding cities together and reshaping the very essence of transportation. This isn't merely about laying down rails, it's a visionary undertaking that promises to redefine urban connectivity and revolutionize the way Melburnians move and interact with their city. With its sprawling 90-kilometer loop encircling the entirety of the Melbourne metropolitan area, the Suburban Rail Loop stands poised to become the backbone of the city's transport network, rivaling iconic underground systems like the London Underground in scope and significance. Divided into 3 distinct phases, SRL East, SRL North, and SRL West, this monumental project represents more than just a means of getting from point A to point B. It embodies a bold vision for the future of Melbourne's transport infrastructure, designed to meet the evolving needs of a growing population and address the pressing challenges of congestion, pollution, and urban sprawl. At its core, the Suburban Rail Loop is a testament to Melbourne's unwavering commitment to innovation and sustainability. By seamlessly integrating existing rail lines and creating new underground corridors, this project promises to enhance connectivity, reduce travel times, and alleviate pressure on the city's congested road networks. But why invest billions in such a colossal railway empire, you might wonder? The answer lies in Melbourne's burgeoning population and the urgent need for smart, forward-thinking transportation solutions. As the city continues to grow, so too does the strain on its infrastructure, with traffic congestion reaching unprecedented levels and air pollution posing a significant threat to public health. Enter the Suburban Rail Loop, a transformative initiative designed to address these pressing challenges head-on. By providing fast, efficient, and sustainable transport options, this project aims to not only improve the daily lives of Melbourne residents, but also stimulate economic growth, create jobs, and foster vibrant, connected communities. Already, the first phase of the Suburban Rail Loop, SRL East, is well underway, with plans for a network of underground stations spanning key areas of the city's east and southeast. From bustling urban centres to leafy suburban enclaves, these stations will serve as vital lifelines, connecting residents to jobs, schools, and essential services with unprecedented ease and convenience. But the Suburban Rail Loop isn't just about building stations and laying tracks. It's about reimagining Melbourne's future as a city that prioritizes sustainability, inclusivity, and resilience. With visionary engineers leading the charge, this ambitious project represents a bold step forward, a testament to Melbourne's unwavering spirit of innovation and progress. So, as the Suburban Rail Loop continues to take shape, Melbourne stands on the cusp of a transportation revolution, one that promises to redefine the way we move, work, and live in the modern city. And with each passing milestone, the vision of a more connected, sustainable future grows ever closer to reality. In essence, the Suburban Rail Loop is much more than just a railway. It's a symbol of Melbourne's vision for the future, a testament to its ambition, innovation, and determination to build a city that is inclusive, sustainable, and prosperous for all. Let's dive deeper into the various aspects of the Suburban Rail Loop project. Environmental sustainability. The project incorporates eco-friendly features and sustainable practices to minimize its environmental footprint. This includes using energy-efficient technologies, implementing green building standards for station construction, and preserving or enhancing natural habitats along the rail corridor. By prioritizing sustainability, the Suburban Rail Loop aligns with Melbourne's goal of becoming a carbon-neutral city. Technological innovation. The Suburban Rail Loop harnesses cutting-edge technologies to enhance its efficiency, safety, and passenger experience. This includes advanced signaling systems for train control, real-time passenger information systems, and integrated fare payment systems for seamless travel. Additionally, the project explores emerging technologies such as autonomous trains and predictive maintenance to optimize operations and minimize disruptions. Social equity. The project prioritizes social equity by ensuring that all residents, regardless of their socioeconomic status or location, have access to high-quality public transit. This is achieved through strategic station placement, affordable fare structures, and outreach programs aimed at engaging marginalized communities. By promoting inclusivity and accessibility, the Suburban Rail Loop fosters social cohesion and equal opportunity for all Melburnians. Urban regeneration. Beyond its transportation function, the Suburban Rail Loop serves as a catalyst for urban regeneration and revitalization. The development of new transit-oriented developments, TODs, around station precincts creates vibrant mixed-use communities with residential, commercial, and recreational amenities. This not only enhances the quality of life for residents, but also attracts investment and stimulates economic growth in surrounding areas. Multimodal integration. The Suburban Rail Loop integrates seamlessly with existing and future transportation networks, including bus, tram, and cycling infrastructure. This interconnectedness facilitates convenient transfers between modes of transport, encourages sustainable travel behavior, and reduces reliance on private cars. By promoting multimodal connectivity, the project enhances mobility options and reduces overall congestion on the road network. Community engagement. Throughout the planning and implementation phases, the Suburban Rail Loop prioritizes community engagement and stakeholder consultation. This involves soliciting input from residents, businesses, advocacy groups, and local governments to ensure that the project meets the needs and aspirations of the diverse communities it serves. By fostering a sense of ownership and involvement, the project builds trust and support among stakeholders, leading to greater acceptance and successful implementation. Resilience and adaptation. As climate change and urbanization pose new challenges to cities, the Suburban Rail Loop incorporates resilience and adaptation measures to withstand future shocks and disruptions. This includes designing infrastructure to withstand extreme weather events, incorporating green infrastructure to mitigate heat island effects, and ensuring redundancy and flexibility in service delivery. By building resilience into its core, the project enhances Melbourne's ability to thrive in a changing climate and uncertain future. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Together, let's pave the way to a better, more sustainable Melbourne.